babe, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is no makeup day and try on haul day. I ordered a couple of things from SHEIN. They came in, so we're gonna go ahead and open the package together and check out what's inside. To be honest, I don't even remember what I ordered. I know it's a couple of bathing suits and maybe a couple of dresses. So without any further ado, let's get into it. What do you have in here? I wanna see. Dress. Colorful. Ooh. That's a purse. Another purse. Ooh, bathing suit alert. What is this? Oh, cute. Oh yeah, jewelry. I ordered jewelry. Oh, one more. Oh, that's an anklet. Ooh. I'm gonna show you the jewelry first. I'm not gonna try them on because my hands look like hell, but we're gonna try on everything else. I'm pretty happy with the jewelry from SHEIN. So next up, purses. So the first one is supposed to be a lime green one. That's the color I ordered. How cute. That's right, I forgot I had good taste. And this is what we're working with. Cute, right? I think so. What do we think? Let me know in the comments below. I just feel like the sides could have been closed a little more. You know, kind of like more like this instead of being out like that. But next purse. Nice purple. I like that. Okay. Very trendy, very cute. Love the color. Okay, we have the heels. Let's see what they look like. What do we have? It says SHEIN, so I guess SHEIN made it. Anywho, they have a really strong smell of rubber, which really prevents me from breathing, but other than that, they're super cute and I cannot wait to try them on. I cannot promise that they won't hurt though. Last but not least, the dress and the bathing suits. I'm going to try on the bathing suits, but I'm going to leave my towel on because, you know, why not? So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. I just don't like the feel of the fabric. I don't think it's going to last a long time. Like after you wash it the first time, I'm sure colors won't stay as vibrant and that they will kind of fade away. Here's the back. Very summer material. Definitely can do some damage in that dress, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, next one is gonna be a bathing suit. These are awful. I'm gonna tell you why. They're not for big-breasted women. Suit itself is beautiful, but the clasp in the back is a total mission to put on. I wasn't able to do that, so I just ended up tying it. And then my breasts, they don't fit in here, which brings this situation to always be sliding down. And this is not the most comfortable thing in the world.
One eternity later.
It's really, really pretty, I'm not gonna lie. But I just don't feel like it's good for big-breasted women. And I'm just not a thong girl. So I didn't pay attention to that. But anyways, it's for pictures. So I'm just gonna wear it for that and then boop, bye. Next one. And also last one. So let's see. Cute. Oh, it's a 3-piece actually. I love 3 pieces. What's up with the small breasts? Like, how's this gonna fit? I feel like if you play your cards wrong, you will end up with a busted strap. which will result in a nip slip, and nobody likes a nip slip. Here's my problem with a lot of these bathing suit companies or whoever sells them, is that the bottom usually fits perfectly, but when you get the top, it's like, it's a mess. Stop stressing. Stop stressing. And it's not like you get the option to mix and match and just get like a medium for the bottom and then like a large for the top. I cannot imagine how plus size women have felt for years. This is the complete ensemble. Pull up that string if you want to go extra sexy. This is the back. This is everything for today. I pretty much like the majority of the stuff, the jewelry, the purses, the dress is okay with me. The purple bathing suit, I like the neon green one. It's just not really wearable for, you know, people that are more on the curvy side and people that are big chested. Anyways, this was fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Till next time, ladies.